Hello guys, good morning. The purpose of this laboratory is to extract a DNA from a banana. Here are the materials that we need. The first one is the ripe banana, 1/2 cup tap water, 1/4 teaspoon of table salt, 1 teaspoon of dish soap, 2 to 3 tablespoons of ice cold alcohol, one plastic bag or other container that will be used for a mashing of a banana, mesh strainer since we don't have one, so we provided a funnel and a filter paper on it, two clear glasses, one spoon, and a container to hold your DNA of the banana. So we have to mash the banana. First is peel it and put the put the banana in the plastic bag or anything that is available at your home. I'm gonna put this in our plastic bag and 1/2 of banana will be enough. Mimi. This is what it looks like after mashing the banana inside the plastic bag, and um, now we have a cup filled with water, and I'm gonna put the salt in there. Mix. Now we're gonna pour the salt water mixture in the bag. We're gonna gently squeeze and move the salt water and banana mash in together. So here is the process. I'm gonna do this for 30 to 45 seconds until it doesn't form a lump, or it looks like more like a pudding. Now we're gonna add the dishwashing soap into the mixture. Only 2 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon is enough. I'm gonna mix again and just avoid to have a very foamy texture, so gonna be careful with this. Excuse me. Now I think the mixture is very beautiful. Now we're gonna pour the mix into the filter a little bit of time to avoid breaking the filter, and let it sit until all the squid or liquid rather will drips down into the cup. Careful. I'm gonna be careful with this. Oops. Now we're gonna wait until everything inside the lid will comes down to the cup. While the filter funnel here is still dripping its liquid, I put the alcohol in the fridge so it will be cold right now, since ice cold water alcohol will increase the yield of DNA, and cold alcohol protects the DNA by slowing down enzymes that can break it apart. So yeah. So I just got here the freshly refrigerated and chilled alcohol that will be used in extracting the DNA of the banana. Now we'll just have to remove this funnel, and we'll be putting the alcohol slowly, not to mix up with the here. So you can see there is the layer of alcohol here at the top, because alcohol is less denser of the water. We're gonna have to wait until the DNA will be separated from its cells. After waiting a few minutes, we can see a few bubbles and cloudy materials moving upwards in the cup, and I fish out the DNA strand. So what you see in this above of the top layer of the alcohol is the DNA clumping together. These some bubbles and cloudy materials moving around the alcohol were just can be seen because it is clumped together, so DNA. But if we used microscope, we could clearly see the DNA on it, the DNA form structures of it. So through using a clean spoon, I transferred it to another cup, which could be clearly seen the formation of the bubbles and cloudy materials. I used black tablecloth for it to be seen clearly, and yes, now we could see the bubbles and cloudy materials gathered upward in the alcohol, and yeah, here is the first one where we filter it and put the alcohol on top of it. Now, can you see this here? This is a material that gathered when I take closer look at the stuff on the stir. I practically or Yeah, certainly looking at the DNA of the banana that is clumped together. I spin it in a steering place to start gathering cloudy stuff. And here, it's amazing. Thank you for watching.